Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths class. Dear students, I hope all are fine. Your friends, your family members, your relatives, all are safe and fine. Now the new year 2021. Already 2020. The year 2020 out. Next we facing 2021 new year. Wish a happy new year 2021. So already we suffered a lot of problems in 2020. So the new virus, corona, affected not only for India, not only for Tamil Nadu, it affected all over the world. The world is suffering from this corona. So now the 2021, the advanced corona will appear in some countries like England, Saudi Arabia, Britain, and Spain, France, something. So, but in our country also, some cases here and there are some new corona patients found by government of India. They are suffering from the advanced corona. So, but save children, save yourself, stay at home, don't roaming here and there. If suppose any important thing means you go with mask and using sanitizer to hand wash. Okay, so when our safe is must. So the self at the same time we follow the social distance also. Social distance we maintain that distance. Government said at least 1 meter to 2 meters the distance between each and everything. Okay. So listen ma. So please avoid to gather in a common function like marriages and get together, family functions, festivals. Okay. So it is a high time for save ourselves. It is a high time for save ourselves. So but now we are entered the 2021. ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு 2020 நம்ம மறைந்த முன்னாள் ஜனாதிபதி குடியரசுத் தலைவர் சொல்லியிருக்காரு 2020 இந்தியா வல்லரசு ஆகும் சொன்னார். பட் என்ன ஆச்சு, இன்னைக்கு உலகமே என்னவோ மாதிரி ஆகிப்போச்சு. என்ன ரீசன் நமக்கு தெரியல. ஸோ அப்போ அவருடைய கனவு நம்ம நனவாகும் போது 2021 நம்ம இந்தியாவுடைய செயல்பாடுகள் பல வகையில் நம்ம கொண்டு வராங்க. இப்போ மற்ற கண்ட்ரியில கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம we are in safe line. ஸோ இப்போ பிரிட்டன், அமெரிக்காலாம் பார்க்கும்போது இந்த கொரோனாவுடைய தாக்கம் ரொம்ப அதிகமாக இருந்தது. பட் நம்ம கண்ட்ரியில் பார்க்கும்போது இட் இஸ் லிட்டில் பெட்டர் தென் our other countries because of our hygienic food. நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற வழக்கமாக யூஸ் பண்ணுற நம்ம சமையலில் யூஸ் பண்ணுற மஞ்சள், மிளகு, இஞ்சி, பூண்டு இந்த மாதிரி பொருட்கள் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்மளுடைய இம்யூனிட்டி பவர் நமக்கு இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிருக்கு. அட் த சேம் டைம் வி ஆர் ஆல் இன் சேஃப். ஸோ இப்போ என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நல்ல ஒரு காற்று, இயற்கையான காற்று, நல்ல காற்று நிறைய பேருக்கு நமக்கு இருக்கும். கொஞ்சம் பேர் சிட்டிஸில் இயற்கையான காற்று நம்ம சுவாசிக்க முடியாமல் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ இப்போ வி ஆர் ஆல் இன் சேஃப். ஸோ வி ஆர் ஆல் secured by the God's grace. Okay, let we come to the exercise 6.7 problems. Continue. The last class already we discussed about the basic formulas. That is the trigonometric formulas and trigonometric values are we know that. Here after that we using that 6.1 problems, we using the what is it? And the formulas and values we are using in the 6.1 formula, 6.1 exercise. So we have continued that problem 6.1 exercise. So listen here. So it's like one recall. So listen, already we know that we discussed the class the values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta up to 90 degree. We know that the values of cos, sin and tan theta up to 90 degree. So listen here. Anyone tell the values of tan 45? So what is the values of tan 45? Right, some of the students are searching your book. Okay, tan 45 values is what is that here? 1. Tan 45 values is 1. So values of sin 60. Values of sin 60. No, that is root 3 by 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 30. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Okay, sin 30 values in our 1 by 2. So for cos 45, 1 by root 2. Tan 90, infinitive. We say it is infinitive or that is actual values is 1 by 0. Infinitive chaligo or we put it as the symbol infinitive symbol as like this. Otherwise unknown value unknown solution infinitive na challuvom. We represent the symbol as like this or indefinite value challuvom. We say it is a indefinite value. So after that we know that some of the identities formulas. Another what are they? The sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we know that the formulas in the introduction classes of exercise 6.1. Now we discuss about the remaining problems in the exercise 6.1. So we come to the problem number 5. Subdivision 1. Sum number 5, subdivision 1. Prove that the following identities. So the secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta equal to 1. We need to prove that the following identities. Okay, secant power, the given problem, sum number 5, subdivision 1 is secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta equal to 1. This is the problem is given in this exercise 6.1, sum number 5, subdivision 1. So we know that the secant values and tan values. Okay, we eliminate the values in the left hand side, simplify these values, and we need to prove that the RHS 1. Okay, let us take on the values LHS. Take on the values LHS. Expand this. That is, we multiply the secant power 4 into the values. So what is that here? Secant power 4 theta. Secant power 4 into 1. Secant power 4 theta into 1. Our secant power 4 theta minus secant power 4 theta into sin power 4 theta. Secant power 4 theta, sin power 4 theta. And then next minus 2 tan square theta equal to 1. No need to put the values, right hand side values. No need to put the right hand side values. So we got the values like this. We know that the values of secant power 4 theta. So the secant theta, we know that the formula for secant theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. At the same time tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So apply the values here. So what is it here? Secant theta becomes that is 1 by cos theta power 4. Secant power 4 means cos power 4. Okay. Now secant theta alone present means we put it as a 1 by cos theta alone. Okay. Minus 1 by cos power 4 theta into sin power 4 theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos square theta. I put in the values for tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta by cos theta. So for next one so we multiply the values here. We put in the values like this. So take down the values like this. Okay, and because they are the multiples, they are in multiples. So but then take down the values common LCM cos power 4. Cos power 4 theta is present in the denominator. The highest value is here cos power 4, here cos power 2 is present here. So we take down the values like this. So what is it here? 1. 1 minus sin power 4 theta. 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta alone present here. So by remaining another root cos square theta, that is multiplied with both numerator and denominator. We got it the same denominator cos power 4 theta in this problem. So that is we need to multiply the values cos square theta in the last value sin square theta. That is cos square theta. Okay, if suppose the problem is 1 plus sin square theta, that is sin power 4 theta present means the problem is written over here. But here 1 minus sin power 4 theta is present here. So we are unable to combine this formula. We are unable to compress this formula in the numerator section. So we go to next formula. So here 1 is present here. Sin power 4 is present here. We are able to write like this. Sin power 4 as being 1 minus sin square theta the whole square theta. Sin square theta the whole square theta minus 2 sin square theta into. So we are able to simplify these values into sin square theta. Sin square theta we separate pannalam. So what is it here? Cos square theta we separate panni we converted into sin square theta. So for cos square theta that is what is it here? 1 minus sin square theta. We are able to write like this 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos power 4 theta. So but then shall I have this? Okay. Next we come to the problem. So what is it here? 1 minus sin power 4 theta. Sin power 4 theta minus 2 sin square theta. Minus 2 sin square theta. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. Plus 2 sin power 4 theta. So either we put it as a sin power 4 theta or sin square theta. Sin theta the whole square. Everyone will put like this, your choice. So but shall we put it like this also? So we put it as sin square theta the whole square. Here also sin square theta the whole square. Okay. And because we are able to separate easily in the next step. So then at the cos power 4 theta. Okay, ma. So listen, ma. So what are the values are here? Sin square theta plus 2 sin square theta. But we get the values here. 1 plus sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos power 4 theta. Cos power 4 theta. So it is in the pattern of a plus b the whole square. Say a minus b the whole square. So but a square plus b square minus 2ab. Let me assume that values of a is sin theta or b is sin theta. B is sin theta and that is sin square theta. But a equal to 1. Let me assume that a equal to 1 and b equal to sin square theta. Shall we take like this? So what is that here? A square. A square is 1 square. B square is sin square theta the whole square. B square minus 2 into a. Here we hide the values 1 here. So 1 into b sin square theta. So what is it here? 1 minus sin square theta the whole square. Okay. A square plus b square. A plus a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos power 4 theta. 1 minus sin square theta the whole square. 1 minus sin square theta the whole square. Already we know that the 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta the whole square divided by cos power 4 theta. That is, we got it here, cos power 4 theta divided by cos power 4 theta. We cancel it the values, we got it the values 1. But listen students, so I repeat again the problem. Secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta equal to 1 is given. We need to simplify the LHS side and prove that RHS 1. So first of all, I take down the values secant power 4 theta into multiple with that 1 minus sin power 4 theta. So for sin secant square secant power 4 theta minus secant power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta. That is, we got it is secant power 4 theta sin power 4 theta. And the next one minus 2 tan square theta. We know that the formula secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. We substitute these values, we got it here. We got it to 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 sin square theta into 1 minus sin square theta. Either here we got little confused means we directly take down the values sin power 4 theta alone. After that we separate the values. Sin power 4 theta ni நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, sin power 4 theta. அப்படி எடுத்துக்கொண்டா we got the values 1 minus sin power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin power 4 theta, we got the values. Then minus 1 plus 2. அப்ப நாங்க 2 minus 1, that is 1. So we got it as a 1 sin square theta the whole square. Here 2 sin square theta is present separately. Okay, if it is a values of square, it is a not square. It is a here, let me consider this a square. It is 2a square. It is considered as a alone, 2a. Let me consider it is a a. Okay, so then we substitute the values a minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. We substitute the values here 1 minus sin square theta the whole square divided by cos power 4 theta. So by 1 minus sin square becomes cos square theta. Divided by cos power 4 theta, we got it the values as 1. Okay, sum number 5 subdivision 1 over. Next we take to the values sum number, next problem, sum number 5 subdivision 2. Children, for your convenience, you take down the values for any half. So, by sin power 4 theta or sin square theta the whole square, it is your choice. Okay, don't confuse yourself. Sir, I got little bit confused like sin square theta and sin square theta the whole square. So, let me assume that values is sin square theta the whole square becomes sin power 4 theta also. Sum number 5, subdivision 2. Cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta equal to cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus 1. So, by cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta equal to cosecant theta minus 1. Okay, come to the problem. Let us take down the LHS. We need to prove that LHS equal to RHS. Okay, let us take down the values LHS here. Cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta. Don't confuse yourself. It is a cot theta, it is a cos theta. Okay, cos theta is different from the cot theta. And because that is the cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. So, but children, don't confuse yourself. Cot theta is not equal to cot theta. Don't take blindly, both are same. Okay, slight difference is here. Cot theta, cos theta. Write it in clear. Write it in clear. So, we know that the formula. Usually, in this type of questions present in the exercise, we change the values in the denominator. If suppose the cot theta plus cos theta means, I take down the values cot theta minus cos theta, multiply and divided with these values. But here, we have no relation between the cot and cos. If suppose cos and sin present means, if suppose cot and cosecant present means, we are able to do like this. But here, no use for that. So, but directly we substitute the values of cot theta. Values, what is it here? Cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta values is cos theta by sin theta. Directly we substitute the values here. So, what is it here? Cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta. Understand, right? So what? I substitute the values of cot theta alone here. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta alone I could substitute here. Okay. So but then take down the common LCM. Otherwise take down the cos theta as alone separately. Okay. So when I take the values as cos theta, I take down the cos theta in the numerator section. Now what is it here? 1 minus sin theta minus 1 whole divided by, I take the values of cos theta separate here. 1 by sin theta plus 1. 1 by sin theta plus 1. I take down the values of cos theta alone separate it here. Okay. Then cos theta and cos theta cancel. So but then come to the next step. Take down the common LCM in the numerator and denominator. So 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta divided by sin theta in the numerator, whole divided by 1 plus sin theta divided by sin theta, 1 plus sin theta divided by sin theta. We cancel these sin thetas, or otherwise we take down the values as reciprocal in the denominator. We take down the values denominator and then cancel it. So but then we got into values 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. But we need to prove that cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus 1, we need to prove that. So but then we take down the values here, multiply and divided by 1 minus sin theta here. So 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta. So we got it as 1 sin theta, 1 minus sin theta the whole square divided by 1 square minus sin square theta. 1 square minus sin square theta. So that is 1 plus sin square theta plus, not plus, minus 2 sin theta divided by cos square theta. By cos square theta. So we need to prove that sum number 5 subdivision 2. Sum number 5 subdivision 2. Cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus 1. So but here the values is like this. So but the next number now. Or otherwise we leave it at values. So but we put in the values 1 plus sin square theta minus 2 cos sin theta divided by cos square theta. Again we put in the values 1 by cos square theta, 1 plus tan square theta by number values. Or otherwise we leave it that step. We leave it that step. We take down the values as of 1. So we leave it this step. We take down the equation as of 1. We take down the equation as of 1. And take down the RHS side. RHS, what is it here? Cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus 1. So we know that the values of cosecant theta. Cosecant theta now 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta minus 1 divided by 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta plus 1. 1 by sin theta plus 1. So but then the values become, what is it here? 1 minus sin theta divided by sin theta whole divided by 1 plus sin theta divided by sin theta. So by cancel these values sin theta and sin theta, we got it as 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. We take out this equation number 2. Then equation 1 equal to equation 2. Okay, because if suppose we simplify these values 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is little bit complicated for you. So இப்போ கொஞ்சம் steps enlarge போயிட்டே இருக்கும். So if you avoid that, we leave it this step 1 plus, that is 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta alone. 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. After that, we take down the RHS side. After that, we take down the RHS side and simplify this. Cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus 1. We got the values, same values like 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. So we equate this 1 equal to 2. We got it the answer. So by cot theta minus cos theta divided by cot theta plus cos theta. Some of the problems we take on the LHS and prove that the RHS. Some problems RHS equal to LHS. Some problems they go to the both sides. We take down both the sides, we separate it and form the values and equate it. So by we take down values, the LHS are separate and RHS are separate. Then we equate 1 and 2. Okay. So but the problem is given in any type. We need to find. We only work out the problems. Okay. They are never represent LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS or proof left hand side equal to RHS. It is your decision. Some of the problems directly we take to the LHS, we got the RHS. Some of the problems it goes like this. So but we got it. We are unable to got it the values. We are able to got it. Of course, we are able to got it the values of RHS. But it is simply lengthy steps. So we avoid it. So we leave it this step and take down the RHS and simplify this. We equate them. Okay. Next sum number 6. Take down the sum number 6. Prove that the following identities. Sum number 6. Take down the sum number 6, subdivision 1. Sin A minus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B divided by sin A plus sin B equal to 0. Listen here. Sin A minus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B divided by sin A plus sin B equal to 0. We need to prove that. So by in this problem definitely we simplify the LHS alone. Okay. There are no values in the RHS. RHS is, that is we got it as only 0 alone present here. So what is it here? We take down the LHS. So by LHS is, it is LHS cos A plus cos B, sin A plus sin B present here. So by middle here, plus symbol is present here. Okay, so but we take down the common LCM here. So what is it here? Cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Okay, then cross multiplication here. Okay, that sin A plus sin B into sin A minus sin B. We put it as a bracket here. Sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B plus cos A minus cos B into cos A plus cos B. Okay, next number we will go to the values. Sin A, that is A minus B, A plus B. So that is A sin square A minus sin square B plus cos square A minus cos square B divided by cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. So but then the values become sin square A plus cos square A. We take from the values sin square and cos square. We know that the identity formulas. Sin square A plus cos square A alone we take down the separators. We put it as a minus 1 and then sin square theta, that is sin square B plus cos square B divided by cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Okay, we know that the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Similarly, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Sin square B plus cos square B is also 1. So, but if angle is equal in sin square theta plus cos square theta, then the value is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. So, but then the value becomes in the numerator 1 minus 1. It is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Sin square B plus cos square B is alone 1. So, 1 minus 1 divided by cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. So, by the denominator cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. And numerator values becomes 0. In a numerator is 0. 0 by anything is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Okay. So, but this is the problem we got it here. So, for some of them, simplify that value separately. Cos A plus cos B. So, if we multiply that values cos A minus cos B divided by cos A minus cos B separately. Here sin A minus B, sin A minus sin B divided by sin A minus sin B. So that we are able to do the problem in any method. I found it is a simple method for you. Okay. So what is it here? Sin A minus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B divided by sin A plus sin B. So but take down the common LCM here. So multiply the denominator and numerator becomes cross multiplication. We got it the values like this. A minus B, A plus B. A square minus B square. Here A minus B, A plus B. A square minus B square. We take down the values as angles separately. Identify the angles, that is sin square A plus cos square A minus sin square B minus cos square B, and the minus take down as outside, we put it as a bracket for that. Sin square B plus cos square B. We know that the formula for sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1, and sin square B plus cos square B is also 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. But 0 by divided by cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B equal to, we got the values as 0. Next, sum number 6, subdivision 2. When we go to the sum number 6, subdivision 2. Sum number 6, subdivision 2. Sin cube A plus cos cube A divided by sin A plus cos A plus sin cube A minus cos cube A divided by sin A minus cos A equal to 2. Okay, we need to prove that the value is like this. So, but we, first of all, we separate the values in the LHS alone. Because the right hand side of the numerical values 2 alone present here. So, by we take out the LHS here. In our LHS, the numerator term sin cube theta plus sin cube A plus cos cube A. Here, sin cube A minus cos cube A. So, we represent some of them. So, what is it here? Let me assume that the formula x cube minus y cube. Okay, x cube minus y cube. So what is it here? X minus y divided by x square plus xy plus y square. Or we using the formula a cube minus b cube. We using the formula a cube minus b cube. Okay, and then x square, that is x cube plus y cube, equal to x minus y, that is x plus y, into x square minus xy plus y square. X square minus xy plus y square. If suppose you got it, the doubt means we expand this, or simply expand this any one of this formula and clear it. So what is it here? X cube. X multiple with that values. X square. X cube, then x in there, that is minus x square y. And then plus x y square, then plus y x square, and then minus x y square plus y cube. Okay, So what are the values I eliminated here? X square y minus x square y, x square y. So but we cancel it here. X y square minus x y square. So we will leave it here. So but we got the values x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube. We take down the values of x cube plus y cube is like this for our convenience. For our convenience. If suppose we need to prove that in any form, we take down other method. Okay. That is the a cube. That is the a cube plus b cube. Or x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube. I take down for x plus y and x square minus xy plus y square for our convenience. Okay. So let me go to the problem. I think all are clear in this formula. Okay. Usually we using the formula a cube plus b cube. I simply skip this formula here because here a is present here. A is present here. You confuse yourself that a small letter of a and angle a. There is an angle capital letter. We using the formula small letters a use பண்ணுவோம். So we avoid that. I take down the values as a x, y. So in the numerator, what is it here? Sin cube a plus cos cube a becomes sin a plus cos a into sin square a minus sin a cos a plus cos square a divided by sin a plus cos a. I understand this? It is alone the first one. Okay, put it as a plus. A cube minus b cube, that is x cube minus y cube. Sin a minus cos a into sin square a plus sin a cos a plus cos square a divided by sin a minus cos a. So when we cancel the back, sin a minus cos a, here sin a plus cos a. So the remaining steps what is it here? Sin square a minus sin square a, sin a cos a. We remove the brackets. We put it as values directly. Sin square a minus sin a cos a plus cos square a plus sin square a plus sin a cos a plus cos square a. So we got it the values like this. If possible, we cancel the values sin a cos a, sin a cos a plus minus. Then sin square a cos square a. We take down the values as here. Sin square a plus cos square a plus sin square a plus cos square a. Then the values becomes sin square a plus cos square a becomes 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. We got it the RHS. Okay. Here only one formula we need to using here. What is that here? A cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, or otherwise x cube minus y cube, x cube plus y cube. So if you not using this formula, it is complicated for us. Because if suppose the sin square a plus cos square a means easily to eliminate the values. Here the values is cube power 3. So we are not having identity formulas for cube values. We are having identity values for square values. Sin square a plus cos square a alone we got it the values 1. We are unable to know that the values of sin cube a and cos cube a formula. So that way we are using here x cube plus y cube and x cube minus y cube formula in the algebra. We know that the formula using in the algebra. Okay. So the same formula we using here. We simplify this and got it the answer. Come to the next problem. I think all are understand. Okay. Next we go to the problem number 7. Problem number 7. Subdivision 1. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3 if. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. So listen, ma'am. The values is given. Sin theta plus cot theta equal to root 3. If suppose we take down the values like this, sin theta plus cot theta, sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3, then we need to prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Usually it is not equal to root 3. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3 is not equal to sum of the condition. If any one condition, they are equal. So if suppose we take down the values like this, no need to buy this formula. It is not a formula. It is a cosine. It is a given condition. Okay. So what is it here? Given values. Let us take down the values as a 1. And we need to prove that values as a 2. So but take down the values as a 1. 1 what is it here? Sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to some number. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3 is given here. So we need to prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. So by number listen. Sin theta equal to sin theta. Formula listen here. Sin theta plus cos theta, right? Okay. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3 is given here. We need to prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. So we are able to prove that sin theta equal to root 3 minus cos theta. We got it values like this, root 3 minus cos theta. So is there any condition for here? No. If suppose 1 is given means, we using the formula for that. So we leave it at values. So when analyze sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3. If suppose the values is multiple means, if a minus present means, we are able to separate it. So then we take out the values as a square. Squaring both sides. So what is it here? Sin theta plus cos theta the whole square equal to root 3 the whole square. Sin theta plus cos theta the whole square equal to root 3 the whole square. But then what is the values here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3. Root 3 the whole square becomes 3. So but then sin square theta plus cos square theta values is 1. Upon 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3. Then 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3 minus 1. That is 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2. 2 cancel panigo. We got it the values sin theta cos theta equal to 1. Sin theta cos theta equal to 1. So let me assume that values like this, condition like this. So simplify this first one. We got it values like this. Then come to the second one. We need to prove that the values. So equation 2 becomes, we need to prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to, that is tan theta sin theta by cos theta plus, we know that the values of tan theta sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta values cos theta divided by sin theta. So but then take on the common LCM here, cos theta into sin theta. Here cross multiplication panigo, that is what is it here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Divided by cos theta into sin theta. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. We find out the values sin theta into cos theta equal to 1. So that is the values becomes 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. So that equal to RHS. Second equation 2. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1, and we need to prove that. We got the values 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. That cos theta into sin theta values is given in the equation number 1 condition. First condition, the values of cos theta into sin theta hide in this equation. The equation values of sin theta and cos theta is added in this equation. We got the values sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3 is given here. So we simplified this. We got the values as sin theta into cos theta equal to 1. Sin theta into cos theta equal to 1. We using that formula and got the answer. Usually sin theta into cos theta is not equal to 1. In general, sin theta into cos theta is not equal to 1. In this problem alone, sin theta into cos theta equal to 1. Don't confuse yourself. It is condition for this problem alone. This is a condition for this problem alone. This is not for actual formula. Okay, next come to the problem. Sum number. Next problem. I hope all are understand. So but simply we are substitute the formulas and apply the trigonometric formulas, algebraic formulas anyhow. So when the uses go depend upon the problem, we substitute the values. So okay. Next the same sum number 7 substitution 2. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. Then show that tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, come to the problem. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. Then we need to show that tan 30, tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Let us assume that it is equation number 2, it is equation number 1. So, but like the previous problem, take down the equation 1. So, the root 3 sin theta equal to cos theta. Root 3 sin theta equal to cos theta. Because minus present here, I leave the values in the right hand side. Okay, so then the values becomes here, the values is here tan theta. So we converted the given condition into tan. Okay, last problem, there is no condition is given, but the values of sin theta and cos theta present here, so that way we squaring that. So there is no need to square that values. If suppose squaring also, we are using the formulas. Square panala we are using the formulas. So we take on the value sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Exchange these values. So then tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. So come to the table. What is the values of 1 by root 3 in tan? So but tan theta, first tan 0. Go to the 0. Tan 30. 1 by root 3. Tan 30. That 1 by root 3. Tan 45. 1. Tan 60. Root 3. Tan 90. Infinity. Correct. Okay. Come to the problem. So listen. If we tan theta equal to, let me assume that values like this. Tan inverse of 1 by root 3, that is theta equal to 30 degree. Theta equal to 30 degree. Okay, tan inverse of 1 by root 3 becomes 30. If you come to the right hand side, that is not right hand side, RHS. Substitution 2, sum number 2. So, but tan 3 into theta values is 30 equal to 3. Tan theta 1 by root 3 minus tan cube values, that is 1 by root 3 whole cube divided by 1 minus 3 into tan square 1 by root 3 the whole square Okay, tan 90, left hand side the values is tan 90 equal to 3 by root 3 minus 3 by root 3. Okay, 3 by root 3 minus 3 by root 3. And the next not 3 by root 3. 1 by 3 root 3. 1 by 3 root 3. And because the values is root 3, the whole cube becomes 3 into root 3. In the values நமக்கு 3 tan theta. 3 into 1 by root 3 தான் இருக்கு. இந்த 1 by 3 root 3 both are not same. Divided by next 1 minus 3 into 1 by 3. 1 by root 3 the whole square becomes 3. So 1 by 3 cancel here. That is 3 by root 3 minus 1 by 3 root 3 divided by 1 minus 1. So that is anything values 3 by root 3 divided by 1 by 3 root 3 divided by 0. So by tan 90 values is what is it here? Infinitive. So by infinitive equal to infinitive, we got the values like this. Sum number 7, subdivision 2. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0 is given. Then we need to show that term 30 equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So we got this root 3 sin theta minus equal to cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta equal to 1 by root 3, tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. So we got it as a theta equal to 30 degree. Substitute the values. We got the values infinity equal to infinitive. So next we come to the sum number 8. Sum number 8. The first subdivision. Sum number 8, first subdivision as a homework. Sum number 8, first subdivision as a homework. Sum number 8, subdivision 2. Sum number 8, subdivision 2. Listen here. Sum number 8, subdivision 2. Cot theta plus tan theta equal to x. Secant theta minus cos theta equal to y. Then prove that we need to prove that x square y power 2 by 3 minus xy square power 2 by 3 equal to 1. We need to prove that the values, sum number 8, subdivision 2. Cot theta plus tan theta equal to x. Cot theta plus tan theta equal to x. Then the values becomes cot theta plus tan theta equal to x. Secant theta minus cos theta equal to y. Prove that x square y power 2 by 3 minus xy square power 2 by 3 equal to 1. So let us assume that the values as cot theta plus tan theta equal to x is given as x. Secant theta minus cos theta equal to y is given here. So first of all we need to find the values of x square y. So here x square. So let me assume that the value is x. I take from the values as a 1. I take from the values as a 2. Okay. Here cot, here tan, here secant, here cos. So we converted the values into sine and cos. Okay. So what is it here? Cot theta becomes equation 1. Cos theta by sine theta plus sine theta by cos theta equal to x. Or understand? Cot theta, cot is not a cos. Cot theta equal to cos by sine plus tan theta, sine by cos equal to x. Taking cross multiplication here, cos square theta plus sine square theta divided by sine theta into cos theta equal to x. Equal to x. So then cross multiplication பண்ணிக்கோ. and பண்ணிட்டா நம்ம 1 divided by cos theta into sine theta equal to x. 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta equal to x. Here also equation 2 becomes 1 by cos theta. Secant theta becomes 1 by cos theta divided by cos theta equal to y. So let us take from 1 by cos theta, cos square theta divided by cos theta equal to y. 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta equal to y. So 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta divided by cos theta equal to y. Let me assume that values are not assumed that. Let me find out the values of x and y is like this. X and y is like this. So if we come to the values as, then find x square y. X square y find out பண்ணிக்கலாமா? X square y. X square that is x y is cos theta into sin theta. A whole square. Into y values is sin square theta into cos theta. Okay, so but then simplify this. என்ன ஆகும்? 1 by cos square theta sin square theta. இந்த sin square theta cancel ஆயிடும். அப்போ what is it here? X square y becomes 1 divided by cos square theta sin square theta into sin square theta divided by cos square theta. The sin square போயிடுச்சு. அப்போ 1 divided by cos power 4 theta. X square y value is this 1 divided by cos power 4 theta. X square value is what is it here? That is cos square theta sin square theta. இங்க sin square theta divided by cos theta. Not cos மட்டும்தான். Okay, அப்ப cos cube theta. Okay, cos sin square theta divided by cos theta. அப்ப cos cube theta மட்டும்தான் வரும். இது LHS side finished. அடுத்து இது x square y மட்டும் finish ஆயிருக்கு. Next x y square. X into y square. X y value is நமக்கு 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. Y value is sin square theta divided by cos theta. அப்ப ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணிக்கோ. sin power 4 theta divided by cos square theta. Sin power 4 theta divided by cos power 2 theta. We are squaring the values of y. Sin square theta, that is sin power 4 theta. Cos theta, cos square theta ஆகுது. So then the values becomes, இதை cancel பண்ணிக்கோ. We got the values sin cube theta divided by cos cube theta. It is the values of x y square. Then x square y power 2 by 3 minus x y square power 2 by 3 equal to 1 divided by cos cube theta the whole power 2 by 3 minus sin cube theta divided by cos cube theta power whole power 2 by 3 whole power 2 by 3. So substitute the values here. என்ன ஆகும்? power substitute பண்ணிக்கோ. substitute பண்ணிட்டு நமக்கு என்ன ஆகும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 divided by actually பாத்தீங்கன்னா separate the values like this cos cube theta power 2 by 3 cos cube theta power 2 by 3, that is cos cube theta, that is we take the values cos theta power 3 into 2 by 3 வச்சுக்கோ. Then the values are listed here, cancel here. அப்ப cos theta the whole square, that is cos square theta. So we got the values here cos square theta minus similarly here power 3 into 2 by 3. Our 3 cancel, we got the value sin square 2. Here also cos square 2. So what is it here? In the numerator 1 minus sin square theta, denominator is same. But 1 minus sin square theta becomes cos square theta. Our cos square theta divided by cos square theta equal to 1. So we got it the RHS values. Sum number 8, subdivision 1, homework. They given the condition m equal to cos alpha divided by cos beta and cos alpha divided by sin beta equal to n is given. We substitute the values like this. Sum number 8, subdivision 2. Here the problem. Sum number 9. Sum number 9, 10. Alone homework. Sum number 9, 10. Sum number 9, subdivision 1 and 2. Sum number 10, subdivision 1. Sorry, there is alone 1 alone now. Then sum number 8, subdivision 1. Sum number 8, subdivision 1. Homework. Okay. So listen students. First of all, understand the formula, what are they given in the introduction session. So first of all, go through that exercise 6.1 introduction and read the formulas, read the conditions and read the identities, read the values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay. After that, you are able to do these problems. If suppose you are not know the formulas, you are unable to do the problem at all. Anyhow, you are unable to do this problem. So first of all, learn the problems before you go through the formulas. First of all, you go through the formulas and we need to know the values of the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta and identity formulas. Then only you are able to work out any problem in this exercise. Okay, it is a very important topic for you. If suppose you go to the engineering or higher studies, the values of sin theta, tan theta, cos theta, the trigonometry always continue with us. The values always continue with us. Either it is using in physics, chemistry also. So we using the calculation values. We